Guys, so my name is Kezia and I'm going to start a series of vlogs on fitness. So it will be ranging from videos on yoga to gym schedules and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a look.
Keep your palms on the floor, under your shoulders. Tuck your toes, lift yourself up. Downward dog and the upward dog. Walk at the same place to warm up your hamstrings. That's right. Press your heels against the floor. Good. And now, the upward dog and the downward dog. Breathe in and go down. Don't keep your knees on the floor. Let the rib cage be in line with your arms. Drop your head back. Exhale and come up. Pull yourself back as much as you can. Try to keep the crown of your head on the floor. Breathe in and go down. Exhale and come up. Pull yourself back. The last one. Breathe in and go down. Drop your head back. Check whether your rib cage is in line with your arms. Exhale and come up. Pull yourself back as much as you can. Good.